Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today we will study about the mathematics, and in mathematics our subtopic is standard form, right? So this is 8th class topic. Our topic is a standard form and our next topic is absolute value. Okay, so guys, first of all we will discuss about the standard form. If I take one example, this example is 8 by minus 24, then we have to convert this question is the standard form, right? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to calculate the HCF of 8 and 24. So your first step is HCF of 8 comma 24, right? So now how to calculate the HCF? To calculate the HCF, we find the factors of 8. So guys, the factors of 8, how can we calculate the factors? First of all, we divide 8 by 2 because 8 is even number, and 8, this is 2 4s are 8, and again 4 is even number, so 4 divided by 2, so 2 2s are 4. Therefore factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now we find the factors of 24. 24 is even number and 24 divided by 2 also. So this is 2 12s are 24, and 12 is also be even number. Again 12 divided by 2, this is 6 2s are 12. Now 6 also be a even number, so this is 2 3s are 6. Therefore factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now how to calculate the HCF? We have to make a group from the both factors, the factor of 8 and factor of 24. So HCF of 8 and 24 is 2, again second pair multiply 2, and then third pair, this is multiply 2. So these 3 times 2 which are common in both, after multiplying these 3 we get 2 into 2 into 2, this is 8. Therefore HCF of these two, 8 and 24, is 8. Now second step is 28, your question 8 over 24, we divide the numerator with HCF and we divide the denominator with HCF. So 8 divided by 8, this is equal to 1. 24 divided by 8, so this is 8 3s are 24, right? So negative sign is with the 24. So this is the smallest form, right? So guys, standard form is of 8 by minus 24 is equal to, now here you see minus sign with the denominator. So guys, when we multiply and divide numerator and denominator with 1, we get minus 1 over plus 3. So guys, your answer of standard form, this is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? So this is the solution. Okay beta, now we discuss about the absolute value. If I have one question, this is 3 over minus 4 under the modulus sign, but this sign represent the modulus sign. Okay, modulus sign. Now guys, 3 over minus 4, 3 over minus 4 multiply by minus 1 over minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4. Guys, your question is with the modulus sign. So you see the negative sign with the numerator, and when we remove the negative sign, then it will become your absolute value. Therefore, absolute value of 3 over minus 4 is equal to 3 over 4. So this is the answer. So guys, here we discuss about two subtopic. First is standard form and second is a absolute value. So standard form is that which is the smallest form, right? And absolute value is that there is a no negative sign. Okay beta. Now third one is ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means you have to write the rational number in increasing order, right? So how to write these four rational number in increasing order? First of all, we have to take the LCM of denominator. So what is the step first? Step first is to take the LCM of 3, 8, 7 and 7. Now how to calculate the LCM? This is the simplest way to calculate the LCM. So 3, 8, 7 and 7. Now here we see any number divided by 2. Yes, 8 divided by 2. Then we divide all number by 2. So 3 as it is, because 2 do not divide 3. 2 divide 4. 2 divide 8 by 4. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. And then 7 not divided by 2. 7 right as it is. Now again we divide only 4 with 2. So this is 3, 2, 7, 7. Again divide by 2 also. This 7, 7. Now second smallest number is 3. And in last number divide by 7. So LCM of 3, 8, 7, 7 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 7, 168. Right. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 into 7, 168. Now second step is make denominator (168). So our first number is minus 2 over 3. How 3 become 168? 168 divided by 3, we check 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. So when we divide and multiply this number with 56, we get denominator 168. 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 1 is 16, 168, and 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. So this is our first number when 56 multiply by 2. And second number is 5 by 8. And how 8 become 168? 168 divided by 8, we get 8 to the 16 and 8 ones are 8. When we multiply this rational number with 21 over 21, we get denominator 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This is second number. Now third number is 4 by 7. How to 7 become 168? So 168 divide by 7, 7 to the 14 and 7 4s are 28. So we multiply this number and divide this number with 24. Then 7 4s are 28, 7 to the 14 plus 2, 16. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. And minus 4 over 7 is again multiply and divide by 24. We get 96 over 168. Now ascending order is now we have to write here smallest number. Smallest number is the greatest, the negative number is the smallest one. So minus 1 1 2 is smaller, and at the second place minus 96, and at the third place plus 96, and at fourth 105. So guys, ascending order is 2 by 3 negative का, then at second number minus 4 over 7, at that third number 4 over 7, and at the greatest rational number is 5 over 8. So guys, this is answer. So if we have a question 4 rational number and we have to write these rational number as ascending order, so we take the 3 step. Your first step is to find the LCM of denominator, second step to make the denominator equal to LCM, and third step given the number as smallest to greatest and write the ascending order like this. And last topic is descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Now guys, this is all about the same as ascending order, but you have to write all the rational number as a decreasing order. So all the steps are same, but at last you have to write the greatest first, and then at the last you have to write the smallest. So guys, this is the homework for you. You have to take step 1, step 2, and then decreasing order of rational numbers, right? So this is all about beta. Our first question is standard form, second is absolute value, and third is a ascending order. So look this is the ascending order beta. Okay, so watch it very carefully. This is very important topic for class 8. So I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the related sum at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.